Yeah.
Now to our next one. Our next one is easy, it's simple. It is this guy who's Poppy. He's got lines that he's giving. He's got a beautiful dialogue. Look, Ablavula, we know Taboya, Mathori, that's our next episode, guys. So, Mathori, they want to ask you questions, and they will ask you questions. All the questions that they will answer, they will ask you. You're going to answer them honestly. Ask him anything. Ask him if whatever you want to ask him. Because at the end of the day, you must know your stars better, know them better. Because if you know them better, you get to interact with them better. Since when? I did not Twitter. So until I said to him, please join Twitter. Uko Instagram. Uko.
Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Twitter and Instagram, it's Baloyi_nowhere.
Why am I not getting
Social media and
Ask him why I have social media. So you know why I have. Ask him any questions, guys. He's here to answer your questions.
Yeah, about this, you must ask
about Noel
Baloyi. Oh, not about
Mashori.
Mashori. Oh, okay, now, yeah, interesting, it's cool. Yeah, about this, Noel, Rimani Noel, we are Queen Kuleka, it's so tiny. Some questions about this in Tabasamul, the way he said.
He looks smarter now, eh? Subscribe, like, it's